Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Rival Today. Today we're gonna be unboxing skin cases. So I bought Rubu. I got Robux. I like to say Robux. Today we're gonna be buying skin case. Alright, I'm in a private server because in a public server it'll go absolutely crazy. So let's see what I get. Come on. So we got the slingshot goalpost. I always wanted this. Like, it's just so good. And hyper shotgun. Let's go. And what about this? Yeah, camera. Oh, we're actually finishing it. Skin case 3. There we go. Alright, let's see what we get. Ooh, I'm down with that. Hacker. And today we're unlocking every single skin. Alright, Lob Saw. And then Satchel is Advanced Satchel. So we're gonna go test these real fast and then we're gonna go back to unboxing. Alright, oh my god, it's already feeling new already. And goalpost, boom. Oh my god, bro. Alright, we're using this, like, bro. Let's see how this thing goes. Yo, that's sick! That is sick! Yo, this is sick. I'm a fan of the football, so I'll, like I like this. Like, boom, boom, boom. Right now, the Advanced Satchels. Ooh! Okay! Okay. Okay, I like it. Now the hyper shotgun. No, hyper shot. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. And plastic shovel and camera. We're just gonna literally throw this in front of our face. Go. Lol. That's literally haters be like. That is haters be like. That is literally haters. Yeah, that's literally haters. This you? I don't know what that say because... Is it this you or what? Or is it that you? Or, I don't know. Just tell me in the comments, please. Now, this hyper shotgun. Okay. I love it. Let's use it. Absolutely, it's straight up sand. If you go to the beach with your kids, bring this plastic shovel. And boom, yeah, I didn't. Alright, let's go back to unboxing. Oh! Okay. All we need to do is just buy one. Boom! And now we're done with skin case 2. Let's go. Dude, that looks sick. Dang. Got it. Hold up. How much we need? Okay, we're actually close. Let's get 3 skin cases. Okay, let's see. Alright, let's see what I get. Oh, that's actually not that bad. So we got compound bow. The daggers is aces. And the battle axe is the shark. And I think there's a secret animation. Am I correct? I think there's a secret animation. Am I correct? Tell me in the comments if I'm correct. Still same thing, but I like it. Ooh, new sound. Right? Oh my god. That's actually sick. Oh my god. Oh, I think there's no secret animation. Yeah, there's no secret animation. I was thinking for a second, I was like, oh, there's no secret animation. Let's see how. Yep. Let's get Rock down. Yeah, that's what I want to see. Yeah. Yup. Now let's try this new grenade launcher. This new. I didn't try Scythe of Death. So I didn't try Scythe of Death, so I'll try it. No! Okay, bro. Alright, never mind. How close are we? How close are we? All we need is just 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So we're gonna buy 3. We're just gonna buy 3 of them. Alright, what do I get? Oh my god. Simple launcher, but I'll keep this for I'll change. And the firework gun, bro. That looks sick. And then for the Molotov is coffee. Okay, if you ever wake up in the morning, like grab this coffee and just throw it. And just throw it outside and just cause a fire, okay? I didn't meant to say that. I don't know why I say that. All we need is just one more. All we need is just one more. And then we're done. And all we have to do is just buy... I'll buy the Pixel bundle. Get it! Okay, look what I get. You know what it is. The Trample ray gun. Oh, never mind. It's not a ray gun. Alright. Now I finally got every single skin in the game. Like all skin cases. And all festive skin, but not Halloween. Because oh my god, I forgot Halloween update, but it's still okay. I just love all my skins. I think I changed that to the slime gun. Like, dang. Like, I'm just so happy I got this skin, every single skin. I'm happy. Well, wait, hold up. One more thing. Boom. Let's go. Woo-hoo! Ooh, 8 finishers. Let's open these. No. That's sick. What finisher did I get? Oh, I got Pixel Gun, so boom. Oh wait, skin. Oh, I forgot the Pixel Burst. Let me. What is this? Sick. Yeah, I like that. Bro, what? Oh my. Guys, have you seen that short I made that what happened to my revolver, not my sheriff skin? But what happened now? Hold up. No. Okay, what? No, oh my god, it's the skin. Revolver. Flop. Yeah. Totally normal. Yeah, I like that. Nope. Pixel Katana. Yeah! 2 finishes. I'll take that. Skins is that. Grenade. Alright, we're gonna test a new. My god. Dang. Okay, ready? What happens if you get blind, okay? Oh my god. Okay, this is actually the pixel coins, like, dang. Bro, the handgun literally copied the Desert Eagle skin. Like, no lie, okay? No lie, okay? I'll rate this 5 out of 10, but this one, yeah, I'll give it like a 7. The pixel, not really that good, but this, oh my god. Flashbang, like a 4 or a 5. Yeah. What do you think? I need some keys, so and I get a skin called Desert Eagle. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dang! There's so many. Let's open all of them. 5 straight wrap off. Oh my god! Dang. Boom. Boom! For the revolver, I got the Keyvolver! Bro, we have to test that, bro. Like, for real, we have to test it. A coffee mug. Let's see if this thing can go good. Oh my. Dang! That hit good right there. Molotov. Oh my. Hit different, bro. No. Like, bro, I did. Like, bro, that. Dang. Like, I just. It's just so good. Now I have every bundle. Next time, if I have like gift cards and if I buy the $550, I may have enough to buy the legendary key bundle. Bro, why do I have to make that laugh, bro? Why do I have to make that laugh? Now I own every single skin, just the skin cases, but I'm just happy now. But now I don't have to spend any more. What the heck is this? Are you... Now you're telling me this is the special offer and you don't know how much it cost? Purchase failed. That something went wrong to your account. Excuse me. Scardy chicken, what do you want? Shady chicken. Chicken. Okay, don't want to see me play? I think. Okay, I'll see you next time. I hope you guys love my skin. Bye.